Here's a tricky thing about military retirement pay. It can be converted to military disability payments. Now, I don't know all the ins and outs behind how that happens or why that happens, but I do know it can happen. In this video, I want to talk about military retirement, okay, versus military disability payments and how that affects assets in a divorce in Wisconsin. So if you are a military person going through a divorce, or you're the spouse of a military person in a divorce, this video is for you. Before I get to that, guys, HKK Law Office is family law. We're located in Wisconsin. We practice family law. We handle all sorts of family law cases. You can find us at hkklawoffices.com. We'd love to talk to you about your situation. Just use the Schedule Now option at our website to book an appointment. All right, so this is an area of confusion. All right, we have military members. First off, thank you so much for your service. Truly, truly mean that. You are making the decision, putting your life at risk for the rest of us. And we really appreciate that. Now, you get some great benefits when you're in the military. And for military members, it's very hard to understand a lot of times why the benefits need to be shared in a divorce situation. And one thing I want to clear up is that in the state of Wisconsin, and this is focused on assets, okay? We have divisible assets and non-divisible assets. And typically, most things are divisible in Wisconsin, except for things that you receive by inheritance or gift. Now, there's a federal law in the United States that does speak to the difference between military retirement and military disability payments, all right? And Wisconsin does have to follow the federal rules on that. And so one thing I want to clear up here is that if you're involved in a divorce action in the state of Wisconsin and you're having an argument or a disagreement concerning your retirement pay and your military disability pay, the rule that you need to understand is this, all right? Retirement pay from the military is divisible. That is something always divisible, all right? However, if you are receiving disability payments, okay, that is something that is not divisible by the federal rules. In Wisconsin, the courts can't come in and change that. So when we're talking about an asset being divided, because a lot of times military retirement pay, it's paid later in life. So if you go through a divorce, you have the retirement, and you allocate then a certain amount to each parent, that's okay. But if a court is looking at your disability payments, okay, that cannot be treated like an asset and is not divisible. It's really an important point that you know that, and make sure that you discuss that with your lawyer and think about that as you're going into your case. Here's a tricky thing about military retirement pay. It can be converted to military disability payments. Now, I don't know all the ins and outs behind how that happens or why that happens, but I do know it can happen. And there are situations where people were awarded retirement pay, right? They were awarded retirement pay in the divorce from the military, right? Spouse leaves, they divorce, spouse is expecting these payments through the retirement plan, and somewhere along the line, that retirement plan or a portion of it, it gets converted to disability payments, which would then lower the amount that the non-military parent was expecting to receive. There's nothing you can do. The federal law says, again, military disability payments are not divisible. Talk to your lawyer about that. Really important concept. You can talk to us, schedule an appointment, hkklawoffices.com. And remember, if you like our videos here, like, subscribe, leave some comments. We enjoy seeing you and making these videos for you. Thank you.